In this video, we'll explore 6 specific reasons to reconsider purchasing the Subaru Forester. 1. Recent recall for wheel defects. In early 2025, Subaru recalled over 20,000 Forester SUVs due to defective wheels that could compromise vehicle stability. This recall raises concerns about Subaru's quality control, especially for a critical component like the wheels. Owners affected by the recall must visit a dealership for repairs, which can be an inconvenience. Additionally, recalls can negatively impact resale value, as buyers may be wary of purchasing a vehicle with a history of manufacturing defects. 2. Interior quality issues. Owners have reported concerns regarding the interior build quality of the 2025 Forester. Common complaints include dashboard squeaks and persistent clicking noises when driving over bumps. A user on the Subaru Forester Owners Forum expressed frustration, stating, "The dashboard makes a loud squeaking noise whenever I hit a bump, and there's a constant, loud clicking sound." SubaruForester.org. Additionally, some drivers have noted that the materials used in the cabin feel cheaper compared to competitors. The Forester's interior includes a significant amount of hard plastic, which can feel less premium than the soft touch materials found in vehicles like the Mazda CX-5. While Subaru prioritizes durability, the lack of refinement may be disappointing to buyers looking for a more upscale experience. 3. Design criticisms. The 2025 Forester's new exterior design has faced criticism for lacking innovation and excitement. Some enthusiasts describe the facelift as boring and too similar to previous models. Additionally, the rear design bears a resemblance to the Kia Sportage, which may not appeal to all buyers. While Subaru made minor updates to the headlights and grille, the overall shape remains largely unchanged. Many competitors like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V have undergone more substantial redesigns, making the Forester feel outdated despite being a new model. 4. Heated seat malfunctions. Several 2025 Forester Touring model owners have experienced issues with front heated seats not functioning correctly. Discussions on the Subaru Forester Owners Forum highlight this problem. In colder climates, heated seats are an essential feature, and their unreliability can be frustrating. Some owners have also reported that the seat heating elements fail prematurely or do not distribute heat evenly. 5. Reliability concerns. The 2025 Subaru Forester has faced reliability issues, particularly with sensor failures. Common problems include malfunctioning oxygen and NOx sensors, leading to potential engine performance issues. According to REREV, 2 particular sensors are notorious for failing in the Forester: the oxygen sensor and the NOx sensor, rerev.com. Beyond sensors, some owners have reported transmission-related problems, including hesitation when accelerating and rough shifting. Subaru's CVT, continuously variable transmission, has been a point of concern in previous models, and early reports suggest that the 2025 Forester continues to have similar issues. Long-term reliability data remains inconclusive, but these concerns could indicate potential costly repairs down the line. 6. Higher price. Compared to competitors, the 2025 Forester comes with a significant price increase, making it less competitive in its segment. For example, the Toyota RAV4 offers a more refined interior, better fuel efficiency, and a stronger resale value while being priced similarly. While Subaru has added features, the Forester's higher cost does not necessarily translate to better value when compared to its direct rivals. The base price of the 2025 Forester starts at approximately $29,000, while the Toyota RAV4 starts at around $28,500. At higher trims, the difference becomes more apparent. A fully loaded Forester Touring model can exceed $40,000, which is in the price range of the Honda CR-V hybrid, or even an entry-level luxury SUV like the Acura RDX. Buyers looking for advanced technology, premium materials, and superior fuel efficiency may find better options at this price point. While the 2025 Subaru Forester offers several appealing features, these specific concerns may influence your purchasing decision. It's essential to weigh these factors carefully and consider test driving multiple vehicles to find the best fit for your needs. While Subaru remains a strong choice for those seeking all-wheel drive capability, its increasing price, unresolved reliability issues, and outdated design may make competitors a more compelling option.